Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can install the misaka, and you can see when I try to install this misaka, then I am facing the problem Microsoft Visual C++ 14.0 is required, right? Then I went to the official website and I downloaded and installed it also. As you can see, Visual C++, then still it is giving me the error. To download the Visual Studio, you can follow this. Actually, let me write on that. Visual Studio, just go there and download that software from the official website, okay? And it will guide you. And you can see I have downloaded and opened it, but still it is throwing me the error. So what I did is I searched on other somewhere in the internet, and after the long searching I found there one solution that I have to use these instructions. And this is my Django Python project as well, and I am using Conda in this project as well to create this virtual environment. So let me do this command. I will just copy paste. You can see there is error. I just copy this and I will paste now, then enter. Let's see it will work or not. And if you don't know about the Conda, then you have to go to official website and Conda like that. Then it will take you the official website and you can download from there. Then start downloading Visual Studio. Now type that command, okay? And you can see here properly the command you can type in the same way, and moreover I will put this in the comment section as well. See, to download Anaconda, just go to the anaconda.com and download software from there. I don't want to skip anything, so I will let it go as it is going. And also in the meanwhile, let me take to the official website of Misaka. Install Misaka, just type there and it will come. And to that you have to type pip install misaka. That very much simple, but it will not work. Okay, I have to proceed with Y. I will hit enter, and guys, it will take lots of time, so I will pause the video right now and then I will proceed once it finishes. Okay guys, you can see I have installed these all the packages by that command. Next step is to install that misaka and hope it works this time. Okay, right now my computer is a little bit slow and it is taking time, as you can see here. And I don't want to pause the video unless you will think this is edited, which I am not. So let me keep it over there. Thank God. Now you can see I have successfully installed the misaka, and I will show you the steps again, okay, what I have done. So first thing, you have to install the Microsoft Visual, okay. Second thing, you have to type this command, and for that let me make it little bit larger so that you can see it easily. As you can see, my computer is very much slow. And thanks to the person that who upload this solution in the Stack Overflow. Okay guys, it's so much, it's not responding. Let me make this 48. Okay, you have to type this command, okay, conda install this one, and it will download some packages. You have to type y, then last you have to install by this command, pip install misaka. And these are the three commands or the three work you have to do, guys. And if it helps you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.